Here's how to turn on autoplay on YouTube. Now open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. There are two different ways that we can enable autoplay for the next video. One is in the settings and another is in a video itself. I'll show you both options. Let's tap on You at the bottom right and the gear icon at the top right. Now that we're in your settings, you can choose to turn this on permanently across all of the videos that you play on YouTube. However, you can also just choose to toggle it on or off on a per video basis. To be able to turn it on across all of those, you're going to tap on playback and then toggle on autoplay next video. However, let's say you just wanted to do that for specific videos. You can easily do that just by going back to the very beginning. Let's open up this video, for instance, and you can see at the very top is a little play icon. If I tap on it, it says autoplay is off, and if I tap on it again, it says autoplay is on. So you can choose to toggle it back and on and off in a video itself for that specific video.